everyone. I'm Sakshi Tiwari and I welcome you to our new lesson. I hope you've been keeping well. Well, I'll start today's session by asking you a question. So I have a question to ask. Should I say this is a ball or that is a ball? Okay. All right. I hope you have an answer. Now, what should I say? This is a ball, that is a ball, these are balls, those are balls. What about now? Confused? Well, let's not be confused because today we are going to talk about this, that, these, those, and what do we call them? We call them demonstratives. So I welcome you to our new lesson, which is demonstratives, where we are going to understand what demonstratives are and we are going to learn about 4 demonstrative words. Yes? So let's get into the lesson. Now, demonstratives are the words that help us point out which things or people we are talking about, like this, yes, that, these, those, right? For example, this is a board right now. Now, why did I use this? Why did I not use that? Let's get into it. Yes. So we'll start with this and these. Okay. First one being this. Now, this is a bottle. We use this to talk about one thing which is close to us. Okay, now I hope you can see, next to bottle, it's me, with 2 ponytails. So bottle is very close to me. That is why I will say this is a bottle. This is a chair, right? This is a house. Yes, I hope you're able to understand. So when something is near to you and it is in one quantity, we say this. Right? Now, whenever something is near to you, but it is not in one quantity, it is more than one, then we say these, right? Like these are bottles. Now, I hope you can see bottles are near to me, or they're next to me. But it's not one bottle. There are 2 bottles. So I'll see these are bottles. These are chairs, right? And these are houses. I hope you're able to understand, right? So that's how we use this and these. Now, similarly comes that and those. Now, this we use for something which is one and which is close to us, next to us. But that we use for something which is one in number, one in quantity, but which is not close to us, right? For example, that is a bottle. Now, I hope you're able to see the distance. There is space, there is distance, there is gap. So that is a bottle, that is a chair, that is a house, right? Similarly, when it is more than one, something is more than one and it is, in distance with you, you'll say, oh, those are bottles. Yes, those are chairs. Those are houses, right? Far away from you and they are more than one in quantity. That is where we use, those. So that is how we use this, that, these, those, this, when one thing is near to you. So this is a ball. Now what about this one? That is a ball. One thing, but it is far from me. This one, multiple things, which are near to me. So these are balls, and multiple things which are far from me, those are balls. Easy to understand, right? So these we call demonstratives because they show where something is, here or there, right? Great. Now let me ask you some questions and you have to answer. If what will we use? Will we use this? Will we use that, these, or those? The first one, dash is a basketball. This is a basketball, right? The second one, dash is an eraser. That is an eraser. Dash are pencils. Those are pencils, yes? Dash is an apple. This is an apple, right? Dash is a pen. This is a pen, right? Dash are kites. Dash are kites. Now kites, they look like they're flying in the sky. So those are kites, right? Dash are cats. Those are cats. Dash are books. These are books. Dash is a sun. Now sun, of course, is very far away from us and is 1 in number, right? So that is a sun. Yes, great. I hope you were able to understand what demonstratives are. Demonstratives are the words that talk about things if they are here or far away from us, right? Great. Great. With this, we've come to the end of our lesson. I hope you were able to learn, understand about demonstratives. Also, if you want to polish and master, spoken English, you can look for these ebooks. You can get these for yourselves. These are for, 100, 150, 150. And if you want to buy a combo, you can get it only for 400 rupees. Where to buy them? Check my Instagram story. The link, which is there in the comment section. And you can, of course, practice speaking in English by taking reference and help and guidance from these ebooks, right? Great. So I'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and happy learning. Bye-bye.